The question we have in front of us, let's understand the question with the help of the figure. It says that a 10 meter deep well of diameter 1.4 meter is dug up in a field. Now my dear students, what is the shape of a well? Yes, it is a cylinder. So observe, this is the cylinder which is dug up in a field. The height of the cylinder is 10 meter and the diameter of the cylinder is given as 1.4 meter. Next, it says that there is an adjoining field whose dimensions, that is the length and the breadth, are 55 meter and 14 meter respectively. So observe, this is an adjoining rectangular field. The dimensions, that is the length of this field, is 55 meter and the breadth of this field is given as 14 meter. Next, it says that the earth from digging the cylindrical well is spread evenly on the adjoining field. So now observe, this is the process where the earth from digging the cylindrical well is spread evenly on the adjoining field, so that we get a cuboid. Now my dear students, the question is, how much earth did we obtain by digging the cylindrical well? Yes, we can say it is equal to the space within the cylindrical well. Now we know that space simply means volume, so we can say it is equal to volume of the cylindrical well. We also know that the entire earth after digging the cylindrical well is spread evenly on the adjoining cuboidal field. Now, if it fills the adjoining cuboidal field, we can say that it will occupy space. We know that space means volume, so we can say it is equal to the volume of the cuboid. Now, the next question is, if the earth from digging the cylindrical well is spread evenly on the adjoining cuboidal field, what is the relation between the volume of the cylindrical well and the volume of the cuboid? Yes, we can say that they are equal. So now we can say that we have volume of cylinder equal to volume of cuboid. It says in the question, find the thickness of the earth layer. It simply means that we have to find the height of the cuboid. Let's get back to the given information. We know that volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Let's first focus on volume of cylinder. Now my dear students, what is the formula to find volume of cylinder? Yes, it is pi r square h. So we'll write pi r square capital H. Next, now let us focus on volume of cuboid. What is the formula to find volume of cuboid? Yes, it is LBH. So we have wrote there. Now let us see the given information. It says that 10 meter deep well. So now we can say that we have the height of the cylindrical well. Next it says that the dimensions of the adjoining cuboidal field are 55 meter. So you can say it is length, and 14 meters. So now we can say it is breadth. So the only unknowns are radius and height, out of which we have to find. So now let's find radius. We have been provided with the diameter, which is 1.4. So we can say therefore radius is equal to 1.4 upon 2 meters. So now we can say that we have r also. So now we can find h. Let's start the solution. First we can say let the height of the cuboidal field be h meters. We know that volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Let us substitute the values, rather the formula now. Volume of cylinder is pi r square capital H and volume of cuboid is LBH. Let's substitute the values. In place of pi, we can write 22 by 7. We know that the radius, yes, of the cylindrical well is 1.4 upon 2. So we'll write 1.4 upon 2 into 1.4 upon 2. Now we know that the height of the cylindrical well is 10. So we'll write into 10. Now on the right hand side, we know that the length, yes, it is 55. So we'll write there 55. The breadth of the cuboidal field is 14. So we'll write 14 there. Into we have h, which we have to find. Now let's do one thing. Let's keep h on one side and let's shift the other terms on the other side. So we can say therefore h is equal to 22 upon 7. Now into 1.4 upon 2 we can write 14 upon 20. Again it is into 14 upon 20 into we have 1 upon 55 into 10 into yes 1 upon 14. Now let us understand the cancellations. First we can cancel 14 and 14. Next we can cancel 10 and 20. It is 10 ones are 10 twos are. Next we can cancel 2 and 22. It is 2 ones are 2 11s are. Next we can cancel is 11 and 55. It is 11 ones are 11 fives are. Next we can cancel is 7 and 14. It is 7 ones are 7 twos are. Next we can cancel is 2 and 20. It is 2 ones are 2 tens are. So we are left with 1 in the numerator and 10 into 5, that is 50 in the denominator. So we can say therefore h is equal to 1 upon 50. 1 upon 50 is 0.02. So we can say therefore h, that is the height of the cuboidal field, is 0.02 meter. And finally we can complete by saying therefore the thickness of the earth layer is 0.02 meter. A very beautiful sum, at the same time very interesting. Thank you.